Probably frosted out. Oh, they moved. Oh, wow. Wow. That was cool.
Marcus, get your phone out so you can take a picture through the iPhone.
I can't because you left the backpack there with you. And oh! You're almost better off just watching them, Penny.
They are going down right now. They're gonna move right now.
Yeah, just watch them and forget the camera. Yeah.
Oh, you careful,
It
careful.
looks as though he's moving the branches up. Do you want to sit here at the front?
Oh, it's climbing up now.
Oh look, they've gone to the left. A green tree next to it. There's one in the middle, at the top, the green one.
You check the tree, I have the flower, the yellow flower, you check the tree
And the
flower.
straight trees.
But Penny, the one to the left, yeah? The green one. There's one in the middle as well.
You
course
see
you
the
can.
tree flower?
Yeah.
And you can check the left hand like that.
Hey, look there, black there.
Is that the baby? The big one.
The big one, that's one.
Yeah, the baby's a little smaller.
Okay.
Oh, that's a small baby.
That's the baby, yeah, moving up. There's two in each. I reckon there's two in each. There you go, further
Oh,
up.
son. You see it doing it.
You're joking. I'm not going to take it.
It's sitting there together again now.
At least if we take a picture of the tree, we'll remember that we saw them in there.
Sit down here, in